It's Amazon Day here at Ray's Turquoise Turtle. This should be mostly molds, if I recall. The box is pretty dinged up, but I don't think there's anything in here that should be damaged, unlike the last mold I got. So, let's find out. And it's a pretty large box to get on screen, so... But, you know, Amazon, they're typically bigger than they needed to be. Alright, so first I'll start with these. I bought some silicone stir sticks, so maybe I can go through less of my regular popsicle sticks. I got a little trinket tray mold kit. This one's going to pour kind of like that feather mold. It's got enclosed sides. I did order some that will be here in a couple days that don't have the closed side like that. So, but this is just a good size little trinket tray. So, and it came with just a couple sticks and a pipette and some little spoons for measuring your tools and whatnot. This is handle molds for trays because I want to be able to just pour my own and have some ready to go when I'm ready. So straight handles and curved handles. What is this? Oh, I'm going to leave this one for last so I can get the box out of the way in a second here. Fancy packaging on this one. Trying to be careful because I do know that it's a mold that's taking up this entire this should be just a rectangle mold with white handles. Not very excited about the white handles, but I will use them just because they're ready to go. But this is just an actual rectangular mold, not a like geode edge like all of my others. And that's a nice size. This is from Resin. It's one of their love molds. Oh, and it came with lights. So that's exciting. This is actually a really nice mold. It's nice and thick. It's really nicely shaped, so we'll see. I'm excited that it came with a string of fairy lights because I didn't think it was going to. I didn't know that. So this is the family sign from Resin. This one has a belly band on it from them. So again, nice and thick, very sturdy. This one did not come with lights. And another Resin. This one is a set of domino molds, which I've been wanting to try. So these are pretty thick, pretty sturdy, so they should do well. And I'm going to slide this out of the way for these last two because they're bigger. I'm going to leave that set for last. This is another Resin set of molds. Little card, tips, whatnot. These they call tray molds, but this one I can't see being used as a tray. But I've seen some really cute things done with it. For like wall hangings. But it is a very large anchor. I've seen it wrapped with like nautical rope, and I actually picked up a little thing of rope from the Dollar Tree the other day in anticipation of this mold arriving. So I am super excited about that. But this one is the one I'm most excited for. Because it is a giant turtle. So this can be made to be a tray or a wall hanging, whatever. But I am super excited to pour a beach in this. One of my seascapes. So, yay. And this is a Let's Resin kit. This is new to them. And these I will have to order more of. I will get to that in a second. But this is 2 molds in this kit. And I will probably, I was going to say I would probably separate them, but I think they're too close together to be separated. I'd have to be super careful. This side has little leaves etched in it, and this side has 2 bees and honeycombs. Hopefully you can see that a little bit. But these, you pour this way, and it does cover these, but it leaves a void on this side because these are cute little mirror molds. So in here should be, I don't remember if it came with 3 or 6, but it comes with little mirrors that when you're done, you sit in there. So I am super excited about this set in particular. Not as much this side, but the B side I think is going to be super cute. Done with like inks and micas. So that is everything that I got today. So I will be working on using it all and sharing that with you as I go. I will probably use this first and the turtle mold, but who knows. And I'm also going to be getting some handles poured so I can stop buying handles for all of my trays. So that's that. I will link every single thing I opened here in the description, and then I will link them again as I start using them. So if you want to order the same, you know what I used. Alrighty, thank you. Bye.